In RCL denotes the resistance, capacitance and inductance. Then which of the following will have the dimension of frequency? Frequency dimension means per second, second inverse. So dimension of the frequency is t minus 1 or the 1 upon t. And so far we have done certain things. For example, in case of charging of capacitor, we know that the relation of charge as a function of time goes like this in case of charging circuit. Here we can see that this term RC, it is in fact written as tau. Tau is RC, which is known as the time constant, and its placement in this equation can tell you clearly that dimension of the tau is going to be the second. So RC has got the dimension of time. That means 1 upon RC has got the dimension of frequency. 1 upon RC has got the dimension of frequency. Do you see 1 upon RC here? No, I don't see. Anyway, there's one more thing. In case of growth of current, that we know that the current growth is given by this equation, I is equal to I naught bracket 1 minus e raised to the power minus t by tau. Here tau is time constant and is written as L by R. So L by R is what? The time constant. So it has to be having the same dimension as that of the time. Okay, that of the time. So inverse of that will have the dimension of frequency. So R by L has got the dimension of frequency. R by L. So this option has to be the correct option till now. Anyway, there's one more check. In case of resonance in any AC circuit, we know that whenever 1 upon omega C becomes equal to omega L, that is the time when the circuit resonates. And the resonance frequency omega is given by 1 upon under root LC. Okay. So 1 upon under root LC also got the dimension of frequency. So option C has to be correct that way. But in this particular portion, only one option has to be correct answer. So 1 upon under root LC will be the correct option to this question. So option C has to be the right option.